Welcome to the Now Foods Culinary Innovation Center. My name is Chef Suzy Singh, and I'm the Research and Development Corporate Chef here at Now Foods. Today we're creating the ultimate hearty soup that's high in protein, fiber, and made with an ancient grain. Let's get started and make our delicious vegan wild rice soup. First, we're going to rinse the wild rice under cold water to remove some of the starch from the grains. In a large pot on medium heat, I'm going to add in our Allendale Organics Coconut Infusions non-dairy butter-flavored coconut oil. It's a true one-to-one vegan replacement for butter. It's dairy-free and it's also shelf-stable, which means that you don't have to refrigerate it. Once the coconut oil has melted, we're going to add in our onions, our carrots, as well as celery. We're going to saute for about 10 minutes or until the onions become translucent. This allows for the flavors to develop in the soup and creates a very hearty vegetable base. All right, now we're going to add in our kale. We're also going to add in some of our now real food wild rice, a little bit of thyme, as well as oregano, and just a touch of salt. We're going to cook this for about 2 minutes or until you get that really nice nutty aroma. Your kitchen will be filled with wonderful aromatics from this soup. We decided to use kale in this dish not only because it was a superfood, but it also contains a ton of nutritional benefits. And this leafy vegetable adds a lot of really great texture to the soup. All right, this looks perfect. Our final step is to add in our vegetable stock. This entire dish is completely vegan. We're going to let this reach a boil, and then we're going to cover and reduce to low, and we're going to let this cook for about an hour. Once the wild rice has been cooked and the flavors have developed, it's time to serve this hearty soup to the whole family. Thank you for visiting us here at the Now Foods Culinary Innovation Center. For these recipes and more, please visit our website at nowfoods.com. We hope we've inspired you to create food that loves you back.